Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the date and time in your Windows 10. So this is going to be a very easy and simple tutorial for Windows 10. So if you don't know how to change the time in Windows 10, you just have to go to your search bar and search for time. And you can see there's an option called change the date and time. So just click on it and the settings will load in a few seconds, and you can see there's an option called date and time, current date and time. So if you want to change the time, you can set our time automatically. If you have that option on, this time will set the automatically from the network. So if you toggle it to off, you can see there's a set the date and time manually, and you can see there's a called time zone. If you expand that, you can see there's a lots of time zone. If you where the time zone if you want to be, you can choose any of the time zones from here. So I'm in Dhaka, so I'm choosing the Dhaka here. Or if you want to change the time manually, so you can see there's set the date and time manually. Just click on change, and you can see there's date and time. So you can just change the time, change the date, change the year manually. So when you change it, just click on change. After finishing the changing time and date, just click on change. I'm not gonna change this because I've already done my I've already have the perfect time in my zone. So I'm gonna just click it cancel. So if you finish with your time and date settings, you don't have to say any apply or okay here. Just cross it here, and that's it. That's how you change your date and time in Windows 10 from the settings option. Just go to search bar and date and time. So this is a pretty simple and straightforward tutorial for you. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.